Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mr. Tito. Hello all of my friends who watching this video. My name is Purwantara and I'm gonna explain about language, dialects and varieties. Before I start the explanation, I want to apologize if I was using a t-shirt because all of my sh shirt is left at my I was not at my home right now while making this video, and my alma mater is left at Jakarta. Okay, let's start. Haugen has pointed out that language and dialects are ambiguous terms. Ordinary people use this term quiet freely. Quite freely in speech. For them, a dialect is almost certainly no more than a local, non-prestigious variety of a real language. Um, Haugen also says the term represents a simple dichotomy in a situation that is almost infinitely complex. He points out that the confusion goes back to the ancient Greeks. Um, the ancient Greek and the ancient Greek in here. Wait, the Greek language that we associated with ancient Greece was actually a group of distinct local varieties descended by divergence from a common spoken source, with each variety having its own literary tradition and use. Um, Language can be used to refer either to a single linguistic norm or to a group of related norms, and dialect to refer to one of the norm. And next, but maybe this is about varieties. Regional variation in the way a language is spoken likely to provide one of the easiest ways to observing variety in language. Such distinctive varieties are usually called regional dialects of the language. The term dialects is sometimes used only if I mean used only if there is a strong tradition of writing in the local. The term dialects can also be used to describe difference in speech associated with various social groups or classes. There are social dialects as well as regional ones. An immediate problem is that of defining social group or social class, giving proper weight to various factors that can be used to determine social position. Example like occupation, place of residence, education, new education, new versus old, money, income, racial or ethnic origin, cultural background, case, religion, and so on, many other. Register is another complicating factor in any study of language varieties. Register Registers are sets of language items associated with discrete occupational or social group. Sergeant, airline pilots, bank manager, sales clerk, jazz fans, and pimp employee are different register. Okay, I think maybe That's all about my explanation. It's not a long, maybe it's not a complete explanation. I just get the point that after what I explain, what I write is what I get after I read the module. I'm sorry if there are any mistake in my speech or my explanation. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again.